Hey guys, Rob Schneider, Blazemaker Creations, coming from you from our secret location somewhere in Connecticut. And this is our new shop space. My garage is a little limited on size, so the woodworking stuff's going to stay at the garage, but I needed a bigger space to be able to do more fabrication for metalworking and to work on the vehicles. And of course my DJ company, we needed more warehouse space. So I kind of got this nice unit. It's a 25 by 45. So it's about 1,125 square feet we got here. So we got nice high ceilings. Right behind you, I'll show you on that side, is the bay door and the front door to get into the place. But it's nice and big. Luckily there's power all along the unit. We got a restroom in the back here. So we'll be able to work on the Street Hawk project, be able to work on kit. I got some plans. I'm ordering a car lift. So we'll have a car lift here, so I'm able to do some work on the vehicles. And then of course the ceiling's high enough, and I want to take use of some of the vertical spacing. So one of the things we're going to do is on the back here, I'm going to build a loft or a mezzanine. And I'm going to have a small little office up there. So I'm going to enclose it because this unit has heat but no air conditioning, and it is hot during the summer in here. I got a big giant fan I'm using, just trying to keep things, get some air circulating in here, but it's hot. So I'm going to build an enclosed office up there to be able to put an AC unit in it, so I have a place to go to get away from the hot weather. I'm going to have a couch up there, TV with the Xbox, a little desk for the computers. I'll probably have the some stuff there, and I might even build a second level loft over on this side, so I could have some of the lighter equipment I plan on purchasing up higher and still have space here, because I want to make sure I have enough space here to store the vehicles and to work on them. So underneath the loft, I'll have the bike area, so that's where the Street Hawk project will be. I got to fit the Trans Ams in here, so I got to make enough room that I could fit 2 to 3 Trans Ams in here, because I have one I want to keep out of the weather that I'm going to restore, and then plus building kit. And then of course for the DJ stuff, I got this shelving that we had from our previous locations, which will be high, so I'll have it all against the wall over here, so I'll kind of re-aim the camera. So yeah, on this wall, because the garage door is so close to this wall, I only got about 1.5 feet roughly from the wall to the bay door here, so that is just enough room for me to put the shelving here. So I'm going to have this whole wall with shelving, which is going to be a little higher up because I'll end up securing it to the frame. So I'll have the shelvings about that high up. So I'll be able to store all of our entertainment equipment up here. Then I'll have some more shelving on back here to be able to house some of the parts I'm collecting for the different builds. So that's what's going to be going on this wall. So this wall is just a storage wall with shelving and stuff to store everything. And then of course that side will be, used for all the other equipment. So basically on this side, this is, so you're right where the camera is where the bay door is. So that was the wall with the shelving. And on this unit, this is where I'll have more of the equipment, like probably a drill press and a whole bunch of, the toolboxes and stuff like that. I'm slowly buying Craftsman tools before they're completely not Craftsman. So I picked up some tools and stuff at Sears and stuff to go into the toolbox. And then of course one of my friends gave me their oven, and the reason why I have an oven is because this allows me to do some powder coating. So I'll be starting to mess around with some powder coating for these projects. So luckily there's enough power here. A guy actually had it set up previously for a welder, so I'll have that stuff there. So I just kind of slowly been bringing our DJ equipment down. Back here is some of the parts for kits with the seats and stuff. And then of course my little kitchenette area over here for me to be able to have meals, because I'll probably be spending a lot of time back here with this. And of course now the camera is in the back where the restroom and you saw the shaved ice booth. So I got pretty big size bay doors here, which is really nice. I mean, I could fit some pretty big stuff in here. And then of course the main door to come in with the electrical panel. I got internet set up down here because I have to have internet. And I kind of like it how the door is away from the wall, so it allows me to really try cramming equipment down there. So that's kind of a brief look at the space. Like I said, we literally just got moving in here. I'm waiting for the equipment to come in and order, and then I got to build the loft area and stuff. So I got a lot more things to be doing to kind of get it set up to be able to start working on the project. So this winter is really when I'm going to hit the ground running with the projects, but I needed a bigger space. So I'm keeping all my wood tools down at my house in my 2-bay garage because that will fit that stuff, and then any metalworking things will be coming down here. I'm trying to get a 4x8 CNC machine to be able to do some of that stuff because it's a 4x8. It's not going to fit in my garage at home, so that will probably come here. That's the reason why I was thinking about building a second level here to have some of that equipment up there. But who knows? There's a lot of potential with this space to be able to do what I need to do. So I hope you guys like it. So once I actually start building things, I'll give more of a detailed tour. So it's kind of just an empty shell now. So once again, my name's Rob Schneider with Blazemaker Creations. I'll see you guys in the next video.